Somebody's at the door. Hello. Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, I'm Jess. I post anything and everything about my life. I received a PR package and in this video I'm going to be opening it up. It is from Zibby Owens for her newest release, Blank. So let's get into this. I actually met Zibby Owens in Toronto because Carly Fortune was hosting a book event and Zibby Owens was there. They both had releases that they talked about. I knew of Carly Fortune because I love Carly Fortune. Through that meetup, I met Zibby and I discovered a new author. Here we are today receiving a PR package from her. How insane. This is what it looks like on the inside. You're the best. Thank you for your support of Blank, my debut novel. But what? Because you have your other novel. Because she has her other novel. I'm confused. This is the card. I really appreciate you taking the time to hopefully read it. I promise it's a quick read. Zibby. Well, this is the book. It is a pretty small read, so I'm sure it will be a quick read. Let's read the back, shall we? A wife, mother, and frustrated writer faces an impossible deadline for turning her life around in a hilarious debut novel about family, friendship, success, and exhilarating self-rediscovery. Pippa Jones is a 40-ish former literary sensation who fears she will be a one-hit wonder. After the follow-up book she was almost done writing, Pod Lusters, had to be tossed, it ended up sharing a plot and title with superstar author Ella Rankin's summer blockbuster. Months of staring at a blank page made her confidence vanish like a one-night stand. When she finds out that she has only 5 days left to finish, or rather start, or repay in advance she's already spent, Pippa has a brilliantly original idea. Okay, fine, her 12-year-old son came up with it as a joke, but Pippa and her teenage daughter approved. Pippa's not only going to make a bold statement, but she'll change the book world while she's at it. Can she pull it off? At this point, she doesn't have a choice. When Pippa's publisher gets intimately involved, it unlocks a series of plot twists she never saw coming. From the courtyards of posh Beverly Hills hotels and Malibu mega mansions to Brentwood and Santa Monica bookstores, Pippa races against time in her used Volvo and discovers more about her career, marriage, family, friends, and herself than she ever could have dreamed of. This sounds so fun. There are also some other goodies in here, so we're gonna check this out. Amazing. Pancake mix. And then I have some pencils in here. Writer's block is the worst. Gah. Gah. That blinking cursor. And Blank by Zibby Owens. And just like that, that is it. What a sweet package. Oh my goodness. Thank you so much, Zibby Owens, for sending me such an awesome package. I am so grateful. That's the end of this video. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed. If you did, give it a thumbs up, comment down below, anything you want. Subscribe if you haven't already. Somebody's at the door. Hello. Look.
You any fun?
No, I'm filming a video. What is up?
Oh, Mom wanted to
Oh, okay.
say.
Yes, goodbye. And I almost got through a whole video without being interrupted. As I was trying to say, let's try and finish this video, shall we? I'm gonna end the video here. I hope you enjoyed. If you did, give it a thumbs up, comment down below, anything you want, subscribe if you haven't already, hit the notification bell, and until next time, I'll see you later.